Hello, hello. My name's Nick Kirpin. I'm a climbing instructor for the Spirit of Adventure Council. And today I want to talk about the most common and easiest to use type of footholding climbing, which are edges. This probably sounds scarier than it is. If you've ever walked up a staircase before, you're familiar with what an edge is. It's a place where you can just plant your foot flat or slightly flat and stand up on easily. So a thing I've noticed is that when things don't look like stairs, people forget that they're stairs. So if we take a look at this here, this is pretty thin, but there's nothing stopping us from just standing up on it. So rather than being like, where do I put my hands? Okay, I found some really bad handholds here. I'm going to pull real hard. You can actually just stand up. And if the edges are big enough, you're probably going to be able to stand without any assistance from your hands. So there you have it. Edges can be really big, like a staircase. They can be, in rock climbing size, really big like this, where I can fit my full foot on it and just stand on it unassisted. Or they can be small and slightly shallow, but as long as I'm using it by putting my foot flat against it, keeping a 90-degree angle between it and my heel, and just using my hands to offset that difference, I'm using an edge. Again, I'm Nick Kirpin from New England Base Camp. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.